Namaste, welcome to my channel. My name is Disha and this is the Happiness in Homemade. So today's menu is healthy creamy cucumber sandwich. So have a quick look on ingredient.
Finely chopped carrot, sliced tomato, sliced cucumber, finely chopped capsicum, finely chopped dates around 2 to 3, almond which are cut in T-shape, yogurt, well I am using plain yogurt, you can also use almond flavor, and bread, I am using multigrain, and some fresh lettuce, garlic powder, mixed herb, chili flakes, and yes, mayonnaise. Well, I am using Green Farm, and the flavor which I am using is Thousand Island, which I found very useful for this sandwich, and it stayed delicious. And yes, some black pepper and salt to taste.
So let's start making it. Ready, so let's start making it. So let's take a bread, some lettuce leaves, just spread it, some sliced tomato, the batter, so this is ready. So let's toast it. So the pan is already heat. Put some butter and then put the sandwich. So while the sandwich is cooking, let's talk. Well, in today's generation it is very necessary to eat healthy food. So this is a very healthy, so you must try at your home. So let's flip the sandwich. So it's ready. So let's serve it. The project is ready. The healthy creamy cucumber salad sandwich. Well, it is very delicious and I can't stop it. So, it's so yummy. So please try this recipe at your home. Thank you.